boat that we did a few minutes ago? Well, time for an upgrade.
That's gonna be
Frog, Dr. Cucumber.
so. Yeah, this is my brother's handwriting right here, and if you really can't read it, stop. It says Dr. Cucumber, and if you guys have ever watched Over the Garden Wall,
Frog, and that says frog.
then that's exactly where we got it from. Paging Dr. Cucumber, you are needed in the operating room, said Gregory at one point.
All right. Next one we're gonna do. I'm gonna go get my swimsuit on, and then we're gonna do it with this. Oh!
Oh, it's perfect! It's perfect!
Actually, water seeping in, but that's good.
Oh, Dr. Cucumber!
That. Yep. That.
He's walking! This is the best time.
No.
Dr. Q, you stay. Dr. C? Dr. C, stay.
That.
You guys may zoom into the video if you would like.
This video is not going to be offensive or bad words. It's
Thomas, your phone is at 10%. Should I stop?
No.
Okay. iPhone 3s die pretty fast, though.
All right, let's put some waves.
Oh, by the way, it's a pretty nice day outside. So this is exactly why we're doing it.
Okay.
Ah! Dr. Q!
C.
C.
Dr. Q.
C.
I hate touching frogs.
This is abort. This is a mission abort.
Frogs here. Hey, put them in. Stop. Screw you. My butt's all wet. Screw you. Screw you. Yeah.
Where is Dr. Q?
He's right here. It's C.
Dr. Cucumber. Hey, stop. That'll make him scared. He'll start jumping out. Plus, you're getting your phone wet. Hey,
Dymo.
stop, Tom.
Dymo. She made my butt wet.
No, Dr. C!
No.
Dr. C! Dr. Q.
All right, let's take him out, guys.
All right.
That was a good run.
This has been part 2 of Dr. Cucumber.
Blah, blah.